The human heart is a vital organ. It acts as the central pump of the circulatory system. This system is responsible for transporting blood throughout the body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to cells and removes waste products. The heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Each beat pushes blood through a network of blood vessels. These vessels include arteries, veins, and capillaries. The circulatory system ensures that tissues get the oxygen they need to function properly. The heart is located in the chest, slightly to the left. It is about the size of a fist. Despite its small size, it plays a crucial role in maintaining life. Without the heart's pumping action, organs would not receive the blood they need. The heart works continuously, without rest. This ceaseless activity is what keeps us alive. Understanding how the heart functions can help us appreciate its importance. The heart has a unique structure. It is divided into 4 chambers. These chambers are the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Each chamber has a specific role in the circulation of blood. The atria are the upper chambers. They receive blood coming into the heart. The ventricles are the lower chambers. They pump blood out of the heart. The right side of the heart deals with deoxygenated blood. The left side handles oxygenated blood. Valves separate the chambers. These valves ensure that blood flows in one direction. They prevent backflow, which is crucial for efficient circulation. The walls of the heart are made of strong muscle tissue. This tissue contracts and relaxes to pump blood. The heart structure is perfectly designed for its function. Each chamber and valve work together seamlessly. This coordination is what allows the heart to pump blood effectively. The right atrium is where the blood's journey begins. It receives deoxygenated blood from the body. This blood enters through 2 large veins. These veins are the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The right atrium acts as a holding chamber. It collects blood and then moves it to the right ventricle. The movement of blood is controlled by the tricuspid valve. This valve opens to allow blood to flow and closes to prevent backflow. The right atrium is crucial for maintaining a steady flow of blood. Without it, blood would not enter the heart efficiently. This would disrupt the entire circulatory system. The right atrium ensures that deoxygenated blood reaches the lungs. This is where the blood gets oxygenated. This function is essential for sustaining life. Section 4. The right ventricle. Pumping to the lungs. The right ventricle plays a key role in the circulatory system. It receives blood from the right atrium. This blood is low in oxygen. The right ventricle pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. The pulmonary valve separates the right ventricle from the pulmonary artery. This valve ensures that blood flows in the correct direction. When the right ventricle contracts, it pushes blood through the pulmonary valve into the lungs. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen. It also releases carbon dioxide. This exchange is vital for respiration. The right ventricle's pumping action is crucial for this process. The right ventricle's function highlights the heart's efficiency. It ensures that blood is oxygenated and ready for circulation. This is necessary for providing the body with the oxygen it needs. Section 5. The left atrium receiving oxygen-rich blood. The left atrium is the next stop for oxygenated blood. It receives blood from the lungs. This blood enters through the pulmonary veins. The left atrium acts as a collection chamber for this oxygen-rich blood. The blood then moves from the left atrium to the left ventricle. This movement is controlled by the mitral valve. The mitral valve opens to allow blood flow and closes to prevent backflow. The left atrium's role is vital for efficient circulation. It ensures that oxygenated blood is ready for distribution. This is crucial for providing tissues with the oxygen they need. The left atrium ensures a seamless transition of blood from the lungs to the heart. This efficient transfer is essential for maintaining physiological balance. Section 6. The left ventricle powerhouse of the circulatory system. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber of the heart. It receives oxygenated blood from the left atrium. This blood is then pumped to the rest of the body. The aortic valve separates the left ventricle from the aorta. The aorta is the largest artery in the body. When the left ventricle contracts, it pushes blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. The left ventricle's muscular walls are thick. This allows it to generate the force needed to pump blood throughout the body. This pumping action is crucial for sustaining life. The left ventricle's function highlights the heart's power. It ensures that oxygen-rich blood reaches every part of the body. Without it, tissues would not receive the oxygen they need to function. Section 7. Conclusion, the heart's vital importance. The heart is an incredible organ. Its four chambers work together seamlessly. Each chamber has a specific role in the circulation of blood. This coordination is what keeps us alive. The heart's division into right and left sides is crucial. It ensures efficient oxygenation and circulation of blood. This is essential for maintaining physiological balance. Understanding the heart's function helps us appreciate its importance. It is more than just a pump, it is the engine that drives our circulatory system. Without it, life would not be possible. The heart is truly the centerpiece of our existence. It works tirelessly to keep us alive. Taking care of our heart is essential for a healthy life.